Hello mga kadunatics, Senator Tolentino, in fairness to him, kahit under siya ng alyansa pagka-senador, nilecturan itong si Hontiveros at si Pimentel. Itong dalawa kasi gustong-gusto ma-carry over yung impeachment sa 20th Congress. Gusto nila i-pattern sa US Senate. How? Hindi ba may sariling constitution tayo? Ba't gustong-gustong i-pattern nila sa US? Gusto nila kung anong ginagawa doon, gawin din natin sa Pilipinas. Mind-blowing mga kadunatics. Panoorin natin ang sinabi ni Hontiveros at ni Senator Tolentino.
Yesa, author ni UP Professor Paulo Tamase, nag-appear po sa June 2025 issue.
Hindi ka man lang nag-print, madam. Ginamit mo pa yung cellphone mo para ka nang si Dan Fernandez, Mr. Google.
ng Philippine Law Journal. Sabi po dito, Emerging Issues in Impeachment, page 19 dun sa journal, allowing impeachment to cross over Congresses is consistent with American practice.
Ano ba tayo mga kadunatics? Filipino o American? Ito talaga may, ina-accept niya na talaga yung white supremacy sa atin mga kadunatics. Wala talaga. Bugok talaga tong si Hontiveros.
Following the practice of the United Kingdom, Thomas Jefferson's Manual of Parliamentary Practice states that an, quote, impeachment is not discontinued by the dissolution of Parliament, but may be resumed by the new Parliament, close quote. The U.S. Congress.
Bakit pa binibrought out itong U.S. Congress sa atin? Like, how? Gusto ata nila maging sunod-sunuran tayo. I'm not into technical issues mga kadunatics kasi I'm not a lawyer. The same constitution lang ba yung ginamit ng Amerika at Pilipinas? We don't have to pattern it to them because whatever issue we have in the Philippines should remain in the Philippines. Should be based on the Senate rules or the Philippine law. I don't understand.
Na binanggit ng majority leader, ng minority leader at ng Senate President. The U.S. Congress has observed this for over 200 years. From the 1803 impeachment of Judge John Pickering to that of Judge Porteus in 2009. In Congress, impeachment proceedings are not discontinued by a recess. The following impeachment proceedings extended from one Congress to the next. 5 halimbawa, Mr. President, sa article na ito. Babangkitin ko lang yung pang-apat kasi yun pamilyar sa ating.
Sinupalpal talaga siya ni Tolentino dito eh. Nag-research ka na nga, bobo ka pa rin. Bopols, kulang-kulang.
Mga Pilipino. 4. The impeachment of President Clinton was presented to the Senate after the Senate had adjourned sine die. After, Mr. President, the Senate had adjourned sine die for the 105th Congress, and the Senate conducted the trial in the 106th Congress, Mr. President. So, for the record lamang po, dahil very, very pertinent sa binanggit ng majority leader, ng minority leader, at pati ng Senate President na following U.S. practice and precedent. And with one very recent concrete example po dun sa impeachment ni U.S. President Clinton. So I hope that we can consider this in our own decision-making, Mr. President.
Own decision-making, tapos binibase mo yung impeachment kaysa US rules, Sana yung own decision natin dyan. Yung mentality ni Hontiveros, gusto ata na mananatili tayong sakop ng Amerika for forever. Ay, nako.
Even after the rescheduled presentation by the House prosecutors to the Senate as an impeachment court on 11th June. Salamat tabi, Mr. President.
Duly noted and entered into the...
May sagot si Senator Tolentino dito mga kadunatics. Bakit hindi makikarried over kung binibase mo sa US law at yung sa atin? May magandang rason siya dito. Pakinggan natin yung sinabi ni Senator Tolentino. Kung bakit hindi makikarried over at iba yung sa US, iba din yung sa atin.
Na kaya dahil walang carry over notion ay dahil malaki po ang pagkakaiba. There's a big difference between the 1987 Constitution
1935.
and the 1935 Constitution, which was patterned after the United
Yes.
States Constitution. And I would like to have this placed on the records, Mr. President.
Diba? 1935 pa yung sa US. Tapos meron tayong constitution sa 1987. Ewan ko kung bakit yung binabasehan nila yung 1935. Ang mangyayari niyan, walang silbi yung 1987 constitution natin. Kung babalik tayo sa 1935, which is pattern sa US. Saan ang logic yun? Napaka-illogical.
Sa US Constitution,
Ito.
100 po ang senador. At nag-i-election po every 2 years ng 33 senators.
Yes.
Ang naiiwan pong senador sa Estados Unidos
67.
pag nag-i-eleksyon ay 67. Because 67 plus 33 is 100. 67 is sufficient to comply with the provision of the U.S. Constitution to convict in an impeachment case. Dahil 2/3 po yun.
Kaya pala mga kadonatics, makikarried over sa 1935 Constitution ng US Senate mga kadonatics. Kasi nga, majority pa rin yung natira. Every 2 years, 67. That is more than majority. That is 2/3. Habang sa atin, 12 lang ang matira. That is not a majority mga kadonatics.
Ay 66. May sobra pang isa. Sa atin pong saligang batas noong 1935, kung inyo pong susuriin, ang atin pong senador na bumubuo rin ng impeachment court ay 24. Subalit, Mr. President, in the 1935 Constitution, ang eleksyon po natin ay 8-8-8. Tuwing mag-i-eleksyon ng senador, ang i-elect na senador kasama sa mga kongresista ay 8 senador lamang.
May 16.
Ang may iwan po ay 16. And 16 is 2/3.
Yes.
Enough to have a quorum as well as to convict or to acquit.
Okay.
In our present constitutional scheme, 1987 Constitution,
dapat itong binabasa.
we also have 24 senators, but we conduct elections every 3 years for 12 senators. Meaning to say, Mr. President, yung may iiwang kalahati na 12 is not sufficient to constitute a quorum dahil 12, dapat 13,
Tama.
much more convict. Because to convict, you need 16
Tama.
senators, Mr. President. Is it now the proposition of the good minority leader that the constitutional spirit as enshrined in the 1935 Constitution
Wait lang mga kadonatics. Kasi sa small meetings, kahit saang meetings mga kadonatics, kung may isang grupo dyan, to make it quorum, it should be 50% plus 1. Dapat yung nag-attend na mga members, 50% plus 1 talaga. So kung may 100 na members, dapat may 51 talaga para ma-quorum, para masimulan yung meetings. Pero kung 50 lang, ma-adjourn talaga yung meeting, dismiss talaga yan. Sa iglesia namin, ganun din. Para ma-quorum, dapat may plus 1 talaga.
the same as the spirit prevailing, although it is not as admitted by the good minority leader, textually enshrined, the same as the 1935. Ibig sabihin po ba yung 12 ay may quorum? Yung 12 ay may pwedeng maging 2/3 to allow your notion that we can carry over at yung mga, yung sikat nga yung salita, maitawid. Tama po ba yun, Mr. President?
Patay si UT Virus mga kadonatics sa napatameme siya. Nag-research ka nga, bupols ka pa rin, ha? Hindi mo na tinodo. Ayon. Mukhang dinidismiss nila ang 1987 at babalik sila sa 1935 mga kadonatics para makarry over yung impeachment. Wala nang silbi yung 1987 natin Constitution. Ay nako naman, nakakatuwa. And thank you Senator Tolentino at may bagong knowledge kaming natutunan. God bless always and please take care mga kadonatics. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.